right, team. Today we've got to finish putting those windows in the roof at the Lazenby's. Scoop, Lofty, Mutt, you're with me.
And Dizzy, we're going to put up a new rotary dryer in Mrs. Potts' garden.
Oh, brilliant! What's
A rotary dryer, Dizzy. It's a sort of, shh.
Hello, Farmer Pickles. Of course we can. I've got some old tires lying around the yard. It's no trouble. We'll be passing the farm anyway. That was Farmer Pickles. He wants us to drop off some tires on our way to today's job.
Oh, right. Well, see you later, Bob. Come on, Dizzy. We shouldn't keep Mrs. Potts waiting. She's probably got lots of clothes to dry.
Wow. What does Farmer Pickles need tires for, Bob?
Good question, Scoop. I forgot to ask.
What is a rotary dryer, Wendy?
Rotary dryer, Dizzy. It's a clothesline, only it spins round instead of being straight.
Oh! I see.
Here's Bob with those tires.
About time, too.
Hang on, Spud! Muck to the rescue!
Whee!
Lofty, can you give me a hand?
Oh, yeah, I think so, Bob.
Right, Scoop. Can you put a few tires on this corner?
No problem, Bob.
Careful, Scoop! There. That should do it. Oh my. I think you've got hay fever, Scoop.
What? Hay fever, Bob?
It's an allergy, Scoop. It means if you go too close to something, it can make you sneeze and give you runny eyes. Some people are allergic to cat fur or dog hair.
Oh my!
You're allergic to things like hay and grass and flowers.
I know what Spud's allergic to. Work. I heard that. Okay, if no one here wants me, I'll go and find someone who does.
I think you better go back to the yard, Scoop.
All right, Bob.
Come on, Lofty. Pass me some more tires.
Hello, Mrs. Potts.
Morning, Wendy. I can't decide where my rotary dryer should go. Could you hold it up for me so I can see what it looks like over there?
You're back early. Where are the others?
Bob sent me home. I've got hay fever.
Oh! You'd better take it easy, Scoop.
Okay, let's get this finished. I'll get up on the roof and get to work. We don't want to fall down on the job.
Especially not when you're on the roof.
Very funny, Muck. All right, no time to waste. We have to hurry because you never know when it might start raining. And we don't want the Lazenbys to have a wet attic, do we?
No, we don't, Bob.
Okay, team, can we fix it?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, I think so. Here it is.
All right, Dizzy. This is where the dryer will go. Are you ready with the cement?
Coming right up, Wendy. Whee!
Hello? Hello? Spud's here! I see. Too busy for Spud, are you? Here, catch. Oh, you're no fun.
I'm ready for some more tiles, Lofty.
Huh? Oh, okay, Bob.
Here we are, Bob.
Be careful, Spud. Those tiles are easily broken.
Sorry, Bob.
Let Lofty do it, okay?
I was only trying to help, Bob.
Well, Spud, I've got another job for you. Why don't you go back to the yard and check that Scoop's all right?
You bet. Spud's on the job, Bob. Bob can rely on me. Don't worry, Scoop. Dr. Spud will soon make you better.
Oh,
brilliant!
Wendy, it's just what I need. Here, just a little something to say thank
Oh,
you.
that's very kind of you, Mrs. Potts.
My pleasure.
Hey!
Oh, my goodness.
Spud the spinning scarecrow!
My new dryer.
Get down, Spud.
Well, I was just making sure it works.
It isn't a toy, Spud. Anyway, shouldn't you be scaring birds?
Not today. Bob's given me an important job to do. Can't stand around talking.
That's Scarecrow.
Thanks, Muck. Well, I think we're all finished here. Hey, what's that, Lofty? Spud must have left it. We'd better take it back to the yard. Off we go!
Ta-da! Spud calling Scoop.
Hey, shh. Don't wake him up, Spud. Scoop's not well.
I know. Bob sent me to look after him. I've got to find out what makes Scoop sneeze.
He's got hay fever, Spud. We know that already.
But what if he's allergic to something else, like milk? Does this make you feel like sneezing?
Bud, leave Scoop alone.
What about cat fur?
He is allergic to hay.
Hay? Well, what about me? Scarecrows are stuffed with hay.
What are you doing, Spud?
Does this make you feel like sneezing?
Don't be silly, Spud. You're made of old hay. Only fresh hay can make Scoop sneeze. Are you all right, Scoop?
No, not too bad, Wendy. Thanks. Haha, these flowers are fresh. Do they make you sneeze, Scoop?
Spud!
That's done the trick.
Scoop! Spud! What's going on?
Oh my!
Look out!
I'll take those. Thank you, Spud.
Spud! You're supposed to be keeping out of trouble.
I was only trying to help, Bob.
Well, don't!
All right, I won't. Do you think you could take this tire off me now, Bob?
Well, only if you promise that you won't try and help anyone else.
I promise, Bob.
Great. I hope that's the last tire we'll have to move today.
Thanks, Bob. Spud's not on the job, Bob.